Alright, we got a little fun video coming up for you, so stay tuned. Welcome back to R4 Mississippi Thunder. Glad y'all tuned in and joined us today. Have you ever wondered how many water bottles a 22 LR would go through? Well, that's what we're going to find out today. Got some water bottles set up down there. And I'm going to get loaded up and we'll see what it takes. Put your bets in the comment below. Today we got the Ruger 2245 chambered in 22 long rifle. And we're going to be shooting the Remington Golden bullets, and they're a 36 grain bullet moving at about 1,280 feet per second, according to that. So let's get loaded up. Get our eyes on, ears on here. Sure we're on safe. Get this started up. Okay. Here we go. Well, I see a couple empty water bottles and see a couple leaking water bottles. Let's take a look at what happened. Since you've made this far in the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become part of the R4 Mississippi Thunder community. Hit that bell for notification of future content. If you think we deserve it, hit that thumbs up, give us a like. If you don't think we deserve it, go ahead and hit the thumbs down. Share the video with all your friends, neighbors, their friends, their neighbors, anybody else you could think of. Go ahead and share these videos around, get the word out, and leave us a comment. Tell us how we did. Also, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Check out down below in the description. You'll find a link to our website. It may have a few affiliate links you might like. And also, there's a link to our Patreon if you feel so inclined to help out the channel that way. Let's get back to the video. Okay, not sure which order these were in. There's a little entrance hole there. Pretty big exit hole there. Whoa, okay. This one's got a hole there on the front. And there's an exit hole on the back. It's a little bit bigger. This one here, you can see the entrance hole there and a little bit bigger exit hole on the back side of it. So that's 3. This one's empty as well. Looks like an entrance hole there with an exit hole on that side. Number 4. This one, I guess it's like this. It's got an entrance hole and an exit hole there. So I went through 4 bottles, and these 2 are still intact, so it must have deviated off from there. Well, there you have it. If you guessed 4 water bottles that a 22 long rifle would go through, you won. You won the fact that you guessed right. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Come back to see us again on R4 Mississippi Thunder, and God bless America.